Welcome. Do you envy the well-endowed girl in your office and wish you had bigger breasts? Then stop worrying and try these tips to enlarge your breasts. Most of the women want to increase the size of the dearies as they are not happy about their size. We are sure that you must have done your research on this and knows the number of methods for it. One of the most common ways to increase the size of the breast is breast augmentation surgery. But, are you willing to go under the knife to get that perfect look? Moreover, breast augmentation surgeries are not feasible for many women. Watch this video till the end to learn natural ways to make your breasts look big and beautiful. 1. Breast exercise. One of the best ways to enhance your breast size naturally is by exercising. Exercising will not only make you fit and healthy, it is also an effective and inexpensive way to increase the size of your breast. You can do planks, push-ups, wall press, chest press, 3 times a week at home to work out your pectoral muscles. 2. Eat food for breasts. The food you eat has a direct effect on your body. If you are eating lots of junk food, then it will show in your health and skin. Eating specific nutrients will maintain the overall health of your breasts. According to studies, low level of estrogen hormone in women can result in smaller breasts. Estrogen is the hormone produced by your body during puberty for the development of the female reproductive system and secondary sex characteristics like breasts. You can eat foods rich in phytoestrogen or plant estrogen, which is said to enhance breast size. 1. Cashew. 2. Fennel. 3. Brown rice. 4. Sesame seeds. 5. Carrots. 6. Plums. 7. White wine. 8. Oats. 9. Cucumber. 10. Green tea. 3. Breast massage. Another way to increase your breast size is by massaging. Massaging your boobs will improve blood circulation in your chest, promoting the overall health of your breast. It will not only make your breasts bigger, it is also good for the skin. The right way to massage your breasts is by applying oil. You can use fenugreek oil or breast cream on your breasts and rubbing them in a circular motion. Your hands should move towards the middle of your body from the outside. Massage your breasts every day for at least 15 minutes. 4. Wear right bra. Wearing right bra will go a long way in shaping your breasts. If you are not wearing your correct size, then your breasts sag. It is really important to wear a bra of correct size during puberty to promote proper growth of breasts. You will feel more confident and your breasts will look amazing in the right bra. The right size bra will give proper support and comfort to your breasts. So, invest in some good bras. 5. Good posture. Walk straight. You must have heard this thousands of times when you were young, and believe us, good posture will make a world of difference. Exercise to strengthen your back and maintain a good posture. This will help you make your breasts appear bigger,